How I increased my rates as an online ESL teacher without losing students. If you teach in English online and you've just started getting students, at some point you're thinking, can I charge more? But then there's another thought that comes with it. What if my students leave? What if I lose bookings? What if I'm not worth it yet? And this is something almost every single teacher goes through. So in this video, I want to walk you through exactly how I increased my rates as an online ESL teacher step by step, what I did, what I was worried about, and what actually happened, and how you can do this in a way that feels calm, gradual, and sustainable. My starting point. When I first started teaching, my rates were low because I was new, still learning, building confidence, and that made sense. At the beginning, your focus is not income, right? It's experience. When I started thinking about raising my rates, after a while, I noticed I had regular students, I felt more confident, and my lessons were going a lot smoother. And I realized I had grown, but my rates hadn't grown. But then there's always the fear, right? That's the biggest part. I was worried. If I increase my prices, my students are going to leave. And that fear kept me stuck for a while. What I realized something really important, and that students are not just paying for your time, they're paying for the experience, the comfort, the progress that they feel. And if you're providing value, your price can grow with you. So, step one, I didn't increase everything at once. I didn't suddenly double my price. I made small increases. And why this works? It feels manageable for you and it also feels comfortable for your students. So, step two, I focused on new students first. And this is key. I increased my rates for new students, but kept things stable for existing students at first. And why this matters is you don't shock your current students and you build confidence charging more. Step three was I watched what happened. After increasing my rates slightly, I paid attention. Were my students still booking? Was my schedule still full? And the answer was yes. So, step four, I built confidence gradually. Each time I increased my rates and nothing negative happened, my confidence really started to grow. And step five is I improved my value. So at the same time, I improved things like my lesson flow, my explanations, my confidence. So my teaching matched my pricing. Step six is I let go of everyone must stay. And that was important for me. Not every student will stay forever, and that's okay because new students come and better fit students, they will stay. Step seven, my rates matched my growth. So over time, my confidence increased, my students improved, and my experience grew, and my pricing reflected that. What didn't happen, and let me be clear with that, what didn't happen, let me be clear about that, is when I increased my rates, I didn't lose all my students and my schedule didn't collapse into nothing. But what actually happens was some students stayed, some new students came in, and my income improved. So, something important to remember, and that is your rate is not fixed forever, it evolves. And of course, this works best in like a marketing platform, and it works best in being an independent student. This works well working on a marketing platform and as an independent teacher. Obviously, when you work for a company, you can't increase your rates. You have to work for what they pay you. If you'd like a simple guide on when and how to increase your rates, comment rates below and I'll send that to you. And if you like support while growing your confidence and your income, you're very welcome to join my free Teach English with Kathy B community. You will find the link for that in the description below. Just click on the link and it's going to take you straight there. And if you'd like a step-by-step guidance and mentorship and some help with things like your CV, your introduction video, your cover letter, and all of those kind of things, inside my paid teaching membership, I help teachers just like you grow their students and their income. The link for that is down below as well in the description. Now, I'd really love to know, have you increased your rates yet? Or are you still thinking about it? Comment below and let me know. And remember, you don't need to jump. You can grow into it step by step. And you absolutely are capable of that. If you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the next video that's coming out. I'll see you in the next video.